Nurture Nature is inside, all set, ready to race number 5. Good luck to your winner, take all choices for the second set. Gates open, they're off and racing. Genesis Slasher on the far outside, moving up down on the inside. Villian EB Boy, then comes that Tulago Nurture Nature, followed over by the Lone Grey Galloper Mascara, moving up Magalang from the outside, running second last. Now Big Honey and Panalangin is the early trailer. Going back to the leader, Gens Slasher by 3/4 length, followed by Villian EB Boy. That Tulago is a very close third. Nurture Nature down in fourth, followed by Magalang. Then comes number 4, Mascara. And rounding the far turn, 2 runners now fighting it out for the lead. Genesis Slasher from the outside, running by the rail now to grab the lead is Villia EB Boy. It's now Villian EB Boy by half a length, followed by Genesis Slasher. Nurture Nature still running in third, moving up now from the outside. Magalang, here comes a Mascara. Now Big Honey now starting to put big strikes as they turn for home. 2 runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. Villian EB Boy with a clear lead of a length, followed by Nurture Nature. Running by the bell is Genesis Slasher. Now Big Honey now closing in. Nurture Nature, Villian EB Boy is running by the bell. Now Big Honey coming from behind, but it's still Nurture Nature. Now Big Honey from the outside. Nurture Nature wins the race, followed by Big Honey. Then comes Villian EB Boy, Mascara, Panalangin, Genesis Slasher.
Okay, crossing the wire first, number 8, Nurture Nature coming.